Hello.
Hi.
It's been a long time now. I've been feeling about China's development, and today I have the opportunity to visit one of the top cities in China to explore their technological hubs.
Yeah.
It's really a nice opportunity for me.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Welcome UCAS, welcome to TJU. Okay guys, I think you guys also have innovation parks in Beijing. We have a Tianjin Higher Education Innovation Park. We have exceptional research at the university and then try to commercialize these research projects into commercial, viable. It's a good time to look at all those interesting, programs and research that is happening. Okay, so let's go. The only problem is the system is not ready. So for example,
we will have 20 minutes to extract your brain signals model to extract the 6 finger. So the next time we will train it.
What's in the mind of Obi?
Are you able to detect if he has any brain disease?
It just show what your brain
signals.
Yeah, brain signals. Just normal signals. Yeah. But this erratically doesn't mean disease. It just means your brain working. It's interesting how this only controlled by your mind and to receive the impulse.
If you hold your hand like this, yeah, and your 6th finger will catch it by itself. Can you try?
Okay.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Okay, it's grabbing.
6th finger.
Oh, 6th sense.
6th sense.
So, what do you think should be the application of this technology that controls my mind to grab something using my 6th finger?
These whole devices can be used for the stroke patients who cannot move their hands smoothly, and after use this device to train their fingers and their brain.
Oh, okay. I'm excited about this.
Guidance through our intelligent room simulator, such as breathing, realized telemedical, such as stroke, hydrocephalus, sepsis, shown on the screen, reduce suffering for patients.
This simulate can simulate the real navigation condition by the different geography and the weather or the marine environment. And we can control the wheel and the rudder to operate the ship. And our student can stand here to control the rudders and get the first-hand experience of the navigation. We also can collect the information or the GPS information for our research about big data mining. This is the part of my research. And the next part is this. They have the broad market in the future. And some applications such as the water aerial supervision, the water quality detection, the mass consist, the platform system, and the mission payload system. And the platform system including the ship hull.
Do you guys like Chinese architecture, by the way? Are you interested?
Yeah, of course.
And,
Interested, curious.
A little bit more about Chinese architecture, but we'll be learning at the Tianjin University Institute of Architectural History and Theory. So let's go inside and have a look.
Yeah, let's go.
Hello guys, welcome to the Institute of Architectural history and theory.
It's Tangyang. If I translate it, it means something like arrow model.
Qingdongling?
Yeah.
It looks very familiar.
Yes.
I have been seeing some Chinese architectural buildings, traditional ones. The quality of this wood that makes the building to last for years without decay.
And the blue bricks are the key element of the ancient. And after firing, we put water into the kiln. Ferrous oxide, very resistant to the weathering. We turn to help for the modern technology to test the materials on the bricks. We will communicate with the School of Material Science. We want to use the traditional techniques to make the bricks more stronger than the Asian one.
Dogong is a unique construction in Chinese architecture. It can transform weight from the roof to the bottom. So our architecture can survive great earthquakes during several centuries.
You are a certified ancient Chinese architect.
Wow.
欢迎各位来到北京大学创业训练营智能科技天津加速器。因为北京大学创业训练营一开始是以公益形式来发起的，主要是为了帮助大家提供创业辅导、创业的一些教育培训，然后创业的一些资金，全方位的一些辅导。
这是我们公司做的低风速的风力发电产品，它可以在极低的风速下跟非常宽的风速区间进行正常的发电。
Is there anything different from the motor design? This one, has it really found practical application?
首先，我们的风如果是从这个方向吹过来，那么我们的这个叶片基本有50%的叶片在受风，这边50%的呢，它在泄风。叶片是顺着这个风的方向走的。我这个位置有一个90度的线位，风打在这个位置上面，它会产生一个旋转扭矩。所以说，在360度的这个范围内，它在每个叶片在转的不同的角度的时候，都会呈现这样的一个状态。
They keep receiving those energy, and I think that's why the utilization and the efficiency rate is higher.
So now, having this technology that will be able to maximize the wind, no matter how low it is, to increase the efficiency, is really an impressive innovation.
这个世界上永远是年轻人是未来，年轻人是方向。
When you're studying the entrepreneurship, like what kind of like 3 top points you have to pay an attention before studying the entrepreneurship?
永远要关注市场需求，去研发你的产品，甚至能够给市场提供新的可能性。要摆脱过去的经验，一定要把握住这个时代最先进的科学的脉搏。中国一个这么大的市场，中国的科技发展也非常迅速，所以我也特别希望你们能够加入到与中国为伍的这样的创业的队伍里面来。
We are really grateful for all your advice that you gave us today. Really sincerely, thank you.
Thank you.
Can see the biggest one is for our heat pump. That is the new product and new trend. As the benchmarking factory of smart digitalization factory in China by the industrial and information technology. So later you can see some new technology, IoT, AI, and we are using so many digitalization things and digital things like the visual system, robot, AGV, and so many good sensors.
This is the incoming inspection room. Here it's important for the temperature, also for the humidity. So it makes the dimension of the parts that is stable. That's very important for the material. Okay. So here I introduce a very simple measurement here. We call it a caliper. So he can show what is connected to the SAP system for the measurement.
So
if we receive the defect result, we can block the material. Yeah.
Smart measurement.
very smart. Yeah.
Okay, go inside. And here is the maintenance room inside. The first one I can show you how to make the voice control inside.
小丹，红外灯在哪里？红外灯在哪里？
Wow.
Perfect.
Yeah, impressive.
So they just call the 小丹. 小丹 is the danfoss. Yeah. That is the robot inside. We can see the light that is for the camera. The camera show the position where the parts it is, and the robot take the parts and assembly.
Is there someone controlling it or
No, just automatically. The program is designed by the maintenance engineer. Also, we can see these parts. We can trace for the single parts, and ask the supplier how many parts we need. Here is the machining area. We can see the robot inside it. Right? This is the automatic line, automatic loading and unloading system for these parts. This is the machining parts inside. That is the key component for the compressor. This one is made by the machining line, by our own.
So you set up the design and you put all the materials and the machine gives you the final product like this? Okay, all process is here? Okay, wow.
It's impressive. It's out of our imagination, I think.
I think this shows that the huge operation, but with careful management, they improve the efficiency and managing the whole assembly line. That impresses me a lot.
And that's also really interesting because it goes from research and development that you are doing here to the final production and the final shipping from here.
And you know what? We have another CC factory in France. There are only two now, one in France and one in Wucheng. And this is the bigger one. Okay.
Increase productivity, as well as maintaining efficiency.
Yeah.
So I really saw it in this place, and I'm really impressed about the high level of innovation that is deployed in this place.
As you know, we started to use machining already, right? So in the end, some people will be replaced by robotics and machine. But we are not firing people here. We are not letting people go. But instead, we train our people, and then we find other positions for them to improve them.
我们呢是一家专注于三维机器视觉与人工智能算法核心技术研发与产业化的公司。那么我们呢是致力于将前沿 AI 技术应用于工业机器人，为我们的行业客户呢提供我们高效、智能、柔性的机器人产品与场景化解决方案。那么目前我们的产品呢是应用于港口的冷链物流企业。 掏箱抓取与分拣这么一个全流程的无人化操作。那么我们呢是为工业机器人赋予了我们的人工智能算法，来让它自主识别一些高度复杂的场景。然后我们到明年呢会有一个大的布局，来用我们的技术呢在其他领域做一个横向的拓展，不只限于冷链，包括工业检测、智慧巡检、精准医疗等等等等，只要能够应用到工业自动化、智能化升级的，我们都可以为这些领域去赋能。
Areas that he can use the same technology to solve these problems. So there is a lot of potential of development.
我们能够把技术应用到非常非常多的领域，它有足够的体量去支撑我们的技术应用。所以说我也是希望大家呢能够留在中国，能够有更多的发展机会。这个我觉得是中国非常大的一个优势。
我今年1月份专门去趟哈萨克斯坦阿拉木图，做了1周的商务考察。因为我主要是做中国国内产的最大的这个食材，准备到阿拉木图建个工厂，专门针对高档的别墅去做家庭整装。同时，我们也在招聘懂哈萨克斯坦语或俄罗斯语的一些留学生，先在哈萨克斯坦阿拉木图进行宣传。
I think it will be not a problem. If you want, I can help with finding suitable people for you for the translations.
我计划在阿拉木图找一个合作的销售团队，我不做销售，我只做生产，就由他来做销售。现在在中国已经很流行这种模式。
You see, this is DJI drone. We can see the data here. This is this one, air quality control, and we developed the embedded system ourselves.
It's high-tech companies, 6-7 people.
Very efficient.
Row. What? Yeah. So I will put here, and we will do some operation, special operation. Then you will see.
Whoa, nice.
Whoa.
Come on.
Oh. Did you see the dancing show? Chinese New Year?
This is incredible.
Amazing.
Is it possible to
shake hands?
What?
To shake hands or to touch?
Yeah.
Nice.
我们基地是服务于人才来天津进行创业就业活动国家级的平台。离岸更多的强调的是我们在合适的时间与合适的人做合适的事。我们做的一些创新措施，包括注册与经营分离、离岸孵化、跨境研发，以及离岸账户知识产权质押融资，以及新4版离岸专版的一些政策。大家再往下面可以看到，是我们的创新成果孵化平台，还有人才中心、信息中心。好，各位老师，下面可以看到是我们的一些大赛活动，还有论坛以及合作伙伴大会。这么些年吧，吸引回来的海外人才，在国内创新创业之后形成的一些创新的产品。目前在咱们面前这个呢，是我们从德国引进回来一个古生物化石，它主要是做的这个化石的清修修复。然后它是创新的产品是清修笔。
So the skeleton, they put the animal, like the body's here, and they crafted it.
If you see, this layer is a little bit shallow. Kind of meant that he used some kind of tool to craft it out.
Can it be used in the institutes, like in my institute, for instance, Institute of Zoology, because we also work with animals?
我觉得这个问题肯定是没问题。我们用在我们的古生物保护的一些研究单位，是一些学院也好，还是说一些自然博物馆。创业方向方面是没有限制的，我们有很多，包括刚才您提到像生物医药、智能制造、新一代信息技术、新创，包括说大家可以看到的一些文创性的产品、文化类的、体育类的。都是可以来到我们天津开展一些创新创业活动的，而且我们会提供一个全流程的一站式的一个服务方案。
We see all the development from the science technology in China, right? Especially here, we are in the entrepreneurship base. We see how much the companies, they are supported by the government.
You know, the office spaces are really good. Then you have all the services and all the human resource and all the company registration, everything into one. And then you have a port which is maybe a few kilometers away. So you can actually do everything.
And I'm sure, I don't think that we already integrated this kind of technologies overall the Kazakhstan, not only in Almaty, for instance. And where we can use it, I think, conducting the AI, for instance, for the analysis that we use daily during our work.
It's because of the country's growing global influence in technology and innovation. Here in China, there are a lot of facilities, startup incubators, and science parks that foster collaboration and innovation. So coming to China has really broadened my perspective.
I think that French people know that China is really advanced, like in terms of technology and innovation, but that's why I think that it's really important, not only for me, because today I'm maybe the French to be able to participate to this kind of trip, but having platforms such as the science, innovation, media that can create bridges.
And I'm currently living my Chinese dream. So there is an American dream, and maybe there's a Western dream, but there's also a Chinese dream. And I want to have access and gain full potential, or full advantage from all the potential that is available in China.
Today we are going to make Tianjin baozi. It's one of the most known snacks of Tianjin, and they come in different fillings. And this is pork, that is beef, and you make a dough first, and then you make the dough into those peels. Yeah, and then you put the filling in. You make sure it's 18 folds for each one.
Tianjin baozi.